Hello everyone. Today we are going to see triangle pattern. So this triangle pattern is most famous and can be used in day trading and positional trading. Triangle pattern is continuation pattern and we need to take buy sell based on breakout and breakdown of this pattern. So it has the following three types. One is symmetrical triangle and ascending triangle, and the final one is descending triangle. Pattern looks like this. So this is symmetrical triangle, and this one ascending triangle, and this one is descending triangle. Now we will see what is symmetrical triangle pattern. Involves price moving into tighter and tighter range, and it's similar like a battle between bulls and bears. So it is generally considered to be forming when it includes at least 5 touches of support and resistance. For example, 3 touches of support line and 2 touches of resistance lines, or vice versa. Now we will see entry and exit strategy. When we need to take buy, when the breakout happens from the triangle pattern, we need to take buy, and stop loss below the triangle support line. Target can be equal to the height of triangle pattern, that is between triangle resistance and support. However, we shall lock our partial profit when price is near resistance also. We will see in detail in the chart. This is practical example 1, that is for Nesco. The buy price is 455 and the stop loss is 418, that is loss of 8%, and target 1 551, that is profit of 21%. Whatever we have learned so far, we need at least 5 touches, that can be 3 touch of resistance and 2 touch of support. Here, how to draw this symmetrical triangle? We need to connect the higher points, okay, and connect the lower points as support. So this one is symmetrical triangle. You can see how many times it touched. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 times is enough, but here 6 times it's more than enough when we need to take buy. The price crosses, that is a breakout, this resistance, we need to take buy, and stop loss can be below the support line. So take buy here and then keep stop loss below this support line, and target is height of this pattern. I have just marked in the purple color. So the buying price is 455, you can see here, and then stop loss is around 418, that is 8% we are taking risk, and our target is 551, that is here, okay, around 21% of profit. So it's around more than 2 times of benefit. So one time we are risking to earn 2 times of return. This chart is Nesco, and we bought on 23rd of July 2020, and it hits target today, that is 14th of August 2020. So holding period is around 23 days and profit percentage is 21%. This is our practical example 2. Stock name is Blue Star Limited. Similar to that what we have seen so far. this is resistance, and this is support. We need to take buy when there is a breakout. So here we need to take buy and stop loss below the support line, and target is maximum target is height of this one. So this is the maximum target, so I marked it as target 2, and partial target, that is target 1, can be equal to the resistance line. So this is the highest point in the resistance, so I take this one as a target 1. So buying place is 502 and stop loss is 471 and target is 561. This is first target and this is second target. We bought on 6th of August 2020 and today it is 14th of August. Almost 9 days, it hits 12% of profit. That's it for the day. And so we are offering two courses. One is Fun Tech Educational WhatsApp group. Here we will teach each and every parameters of stock market each and every day, and we take online classes about technical and fundamental analysis once in a month through Skype and Zoom. If you want more details, then contact us on WhatsApp 96005 89465. Thank you.